Imagine a new superpower, one that remembers everything, thinks a million times faster than us, and never gets tired. This isn't science fiction. It's artificial intelligence, or AI, quietly transforming our world. Most people think AI is just robots or chatbots, but its real magic is much deeper. AI is a new kind of intelligence, able to do things humans simply can't. It's the backbone of our modern world, solving problems and making decisions in ways we never could. Unlike us, AI doesn't forget, doesn't tire, and can process vast amounts of information instantly. In this journey, we'll explore 5 incredible ways AI is already doing what humans can't. Media Group. Split screen showing AI analyzing medical images, stock trends, creative designs, and massive data sets. Stock or distribute, equally perfect memory, lightning speed, seeing hidden patterns, tireless work, and surprising creativity. Understanding these powers is the first step to understanding our future. It's not a future to fear, but one to be excited about. Together, human and artificial intelligence can achieve things we've only dreamed of. So let's dive in and uncover the real superpowers of AI. Let's start with memory. We forget things. AI never does. Imagine a library with every book ever written. AI can recall any detail instantly. In medicine, AI can scan millions of patient records and research papers in seconds, helping doctors find treatments for rare diseases. It's not about replacing doctors, but giving them a super brain to save lives. Now, speed. AI processes information at a rate we can't imagine. If you had to read 1,000 books for a single word, it'd take years. AI does it in a second. In finance, AI analyzes global stock data and reacts in milliseconds. No human could keep up. In science, AI accelerates discoveries by analyzing complex data at lightning speed. The combination of perfect memory and speed gives AI a foundational advantage. Used wisely, these powers can help us solve problems faster and better. That's the real game changer. Humans spot simple patterns, but AI sees what's invisible to us. It can analyze massive datasets and find connections in hundreds of dimensions. In weather forecasting, AI finds subtle signals in oceans and air that predict storms weeks in advance. Streaming services use AI to recommend shows you love by finding hidden links in millions of viewing habits. Businesses use these insights to understand what customers truly want. In health, AI can spot tiny changes in your smartwatch data, warning you of issues before you feel symptoms. AI's pattern-finding ability gives us insights we'd never discover alone. It's like seeing the secret code of the universe. With AI, we can make smarter choices and improve our lives in ways we never imagined. That's the power of seeing the unseen. Even on our best days, we need rest. AI never does. It works 24/7, never losing focus or making mistakes from fatigue. In factories, AI-controlled robots perform delicate tasks with perfect consistency. In customer service, AI chatbots answer thousands of questions instantly, day or night. But AI isn't just a tireless worker, it's becoming a creator. Today, AI generates original art, music, and even poetry from simple prompts. It learns styles and patterns from vast databases, then creates something new. Architects use AI to design hundreds of buildings in minutes, exploring ideas faster than ever. AI is a tool for human creativity, pushing the boundaries of what we can imagine. It's not about replacing artists, but expanding what's possible. With AI, our creative potential is limitless. With all these superpowers, will AI replace us? The answer is no. AI can process data, but it can't dream, feel, or understand meaning. It can create art, but it can't feel the emotion behind it. Only humans bring empathy, purpose, and wisdom. AI is a tool. Its value comes from how we use it. We set the goals, provide the ethics, and decide what matters. The future isn't humans versus AI, but a partnership. Together, we can solve the world's biggest challenges. The real superpower is human wisdom combined with AI's abilities. Our dreams guide its power, and our hearts give it purpose. The journey ahead is shared, and it's going to be incredible.